Welcome to Burmawala Kitchen. We're diving into a spectacular fusion dish, Chicken 65 Biryani, a unique South Indian-inspired delight that's an explosion of flavors. Check out the complete recipe in the description below. Drop a comment telling us where you're tuning in from. Alright, first things first, we've got a kilo of chicken breast here, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of red food coloring, a tablespoon of freshly chopped curry leaves. Mix it up nicely. Add a few drops of oil, a quarter cup of corn flour, and a quarter cup of plain flour. Let this flavor-packed mix marinate for about 20 minutes. Time to fry these flavor bombs. Heat up some oil in a pan. Not too much, just enough for a good fry. Cook them for around 10 minutes until they're perfectly done. Don't overcrowd the pan. I did it in 2 batches to get that crispiness we're after. Look at that golden goodness. Now, let's get the biryani masala going. Heat up half a cup of oil in a pan. Throw in a tablespoon of mustard seeds, letting them infuse their magic for a couple of minutes. Then add in 2 chopped onions. Fry them till they're beautifully translucent. Takes around 10 minutes or so. Time to introduce some whole spices, 2 black cardamoms, 4 green cardamoms, a few peppercorns and cloves. Let these spices dance in the oil for 3 minutes. Now here comes the star, fresh curry leaves. If you don't have fresh, dry ones, work too. Add in 3 green chilies for a mild kick. If you're feeling fiery, go ahead and add more. Fry this medley until the aromas start to sing. Now, here's the flavor party. 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 tablespoons each of garlic and ginger paste, 1 tablespoon curry powder, a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it all up and let it cook for around 5 minutes. Drop in a cup of halved cherry tomatoes. I adore their sweetness in this dish. And now, half a cup of full-fat yogurt to bring everything together. Time to reunite the chicken we fried earlier. Lid on. Cook it on low for a quick 5 minutes. Remember, the chicken's already cooked. Let's move on to the rice. Boiling water, a few drops of oil, and in go the dry spices. A tablespoon of salt, cloves, peppercorns, cardamom, and a teaspoon of cumin. Add in 2 mugs of soaked rice. Washed and soaked for an hour for those extra long grains. Cook until it's about 80% done, roughly 10 minutes. Now, let's layer this magic. All the rice on top of that flavorful chicken masala. Pour on 2 tablespoons of melted ghee. And for that vibrant touch, I'm adding orange and red food colors. Trust me, it sets off the Chicken 65 Biryani beautifully. Top it off with a sliced lime, some fresh curry leaves, a couple of green chilies, a sprinkle of fried onions, and a bunch of chopped coriander. Wrap it up with foil and cook it on low for 20 minutes. Check out this mouth-watering biryani. Fluffy rice, individual grains, and that irresistible aroma. It's a feast for the senses. Now, let's serve up this treasure trove of flavors. This generous dish easily feeds a family of 6. It's a stunning main course that stands out from the regular chicken biryanis. I hope you relished this recipe as much as I did preparing it. Share your thoughts and let me know what other recipes you'd love me to whip up next. And hey, if you found this recipe delightful, show some love by liking, commenting, sharing, and of course, subscribing to our channel for more culinary adventures. Happy cooking, folks!